In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access GPT-4 Turbo in Microsoft Copilot for free. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right into it. First, let's understand what GPT-4 Turbo is and why you might want to use it. GPT-4 Turbo is an advanced AI model designed for various tasks, from writing to coding. It can help boost your productivity significantly, making it a powerful assistant in applications like Microsoft Copilot. Microsoft Copilot is built into several Microsoft 365 tools, including Word, Excel, and Outlook, enhancing their functionalities with AI capabilities. Now, how can you access GPT-4 Turbo in Microsoft Copilot for free? You might be wondering if there's a catch or if it's too complicated. The great news is that it's quite accessible, especially if you already have a Microsoft account. First things first, you will need to ensure you have a Microsoft 365 subscription. While some features of Copilot may come with the subscription cost, Microsoft often offers free trials or lower-tier subscriptions that give you access to basic functionalities. So go ahead and check if you have an appropriate subscription or if there's a free trial available for you to leverage. Once you have that sorted out, the next step is to ensure you're using the latest version of the Microsoft 365 applications. So open up any of the Microsoft 365 applications, like Word or Excel. If you're on a desktop, you can easily check for updates by clicking on the File tab, then selecting Account, and finally clicking on Update Options. From there, you want to select Update Now to make sure you're on the latest version of the software. After updating, look for the Copilot feature. You typically find this in the toolbar or in the sidebar, depending on the application you are using. You will notice a small icon or button labeled Copilot or AI Assistance. Click on it, and it will open up a side panel that provides you with various options and prompts. Now, here comes the exciting part. With GPT-4 Turbo integrated into Copilot, you can start interacting with it. This is where the fun begins. You can ask it to help you generate text, formulate suggestions, create data analyses, or even draft emails. For instance, if you're working on a report in Word, you could write a prompt like "Generate an introduction about environmental sustainability," and watch as Copilot conjures up an impressive starter for you. However, to ensure that you are accessing the GPT-4 Turbo feature specifically, you may want to check if you have the latest updates pertaining to Copilot. Microsoft frequently enhances its AI capabilities, so staying informed about these updates can enhance your experience. Typically, Microsoft will share release notes or updates on their official blog. Keeping an eye on those will ensure you don't miss out on any new functionalities. You might be curious about the free aspect. While accessing GPT-4 Turbo might typically be tied to certain subscription levels, don't forget about the various offers that Microsoft has. Sometimes they introduce promotional deals that allow free access for a limited time or special events, so keep an eye on their website or newsletters for any news. Finally, remember to share your experience. Engaging with community forums or even social media can provide insights from others using GPT-4 Turbo in Microsoft Copilot. You might discover new ways to utilize the tool or come across tips that could further enhance your experience. So, to summarize, to access GPT-4 Turbo in Microsoft Copilot for free, you start by ensuring you have a Microsoft 365 subscription and the latest application updates. Then, locate the Copilot feature in your desired app, interact with it, and make the most of the AI-powered assistance. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and happy exploring with GPT-4 Turbo in Microsoft Copilot.